benefits. When you enroll 3 to 4 members a month minimum, we always say never make your minimum your maximum. You have an opportunity from your third month on to earn anywhere from $200 all the way up to $500 and so much more. The person who invited you, they can give you more detail. You could qualify for all the expense paid trips. That's beautiful. And so here's what it takes. Become an associate. One time, $99. You have the independence to work from anywhere. There's no what we call, oh, you can't go over there, can't work over here. No, there's no territorial. Flexibility, set your own hours, income opportunities, linear and leverage, residual income. I keep bringing that word up, residual income for the lifetime of the membership, willable book of business. Remember the will we talked about? You can literally have your business placed into your estate planning. The opportunity to get paid. We have a success system. As I stated, you don't have to feel your way in the dark. We want to make certain that you start out right. We have specialized training. We will align you with a personal mentor to make sure you succeed. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, here's what's the only ongoing expense outside of the membership services you select is $24.95 a month. This gives you your part of your support system, your website, so you don't have to go out and purchase a $10,000 website or nothing. We handle all of that. Personalized customer enrollment site, opportunity for company incentives. All we say is start today. And by the way, that $99, I should have mentioned it earlier, is this month's special. So you're definitely going to want to take advantage of that opportunity.